Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to add a link now. First, pick the text or object to become interactive and make sure it's uniquely named so collaborators understand its purpose. Once selected, move to the prototype panel. This is where you create destination connections and choose interaction types. Make sure any overlapping layers are unlocked so you can click the correct element. This early clarity prevents accidental links and keeps your prototype organized as you progress to wiring destinations and behaviors. Now connect the node. Drag the circular handle from your element to the target frame or choose Open URL for external links. Select on click as the trigger and pick Navigate to for internal screens or Open Link to paste the URL. Adjust animation style and duration so transitions feel natural. Use Instant for quick jumps and Smart Animate for smooth motion. Once done, test the behavior in present mode to confirm the link targets the correct screen and the interaction timing matches your intent. Finish by previewing in present mode and walking through every linked path as your user would. Make sure external URLs include HTTP or HTTPS so they open reliably, and decide if they should open in a new tab. If a link doesn't work, inspect layer stacking and locked layers, confirm the prototype node is connected to the intended destination, and recheck component overrides that may block interactions. If problems persist, duplicate the frame and recreate the link to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.